Welcome back. Today we're adding in our first two, and October's theme was neutrals. I've put in a number 2 that I've cut out of natural linen fabric, and our stitch theme for October was woven stitches. I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of needle weaving just on patches of the two. We don't want to cover up all the linen, so I'm just putting in some warp threads here. These are just straight stitches across the shape of the two. I'm not worrying about staying inside the fabric for this one because my weft threads are going to do that job for me. If you're not sure about needle weaving, you can check out the tutorial video. I'll link it in a card at the top of the screen, so you can go back and have a look at that. So I've got in 4 warp threads here, and now I'm going to come up inside the fabric and I'm going to weave my needle over the first thread, under, over, under, and out the other side, and then I'm going to take it back down through the fabric, and this is how we're going to secure our linen number 2 in place. Then I'll bring my needle back up a little way across and I'll reverse the process. So where I've gone under, I'm going to go over, under, over, so that I get that sort of basket weave effect, and then back down through the fabric. I think I'll do this one a bit longer, so I've gone right out to the edge of the fabric number there. Then I'll bring up my needle again and reverse. So I went under last time, I'm going to start by going over, under, and back down through the fabric. So I want this to look sort of artistic. I'm not trying to get a really neat fill. I'm just sort of illustrating the stitch style that we were using during October. So I'm just putting in my last stitch there, make that one a little bit shorter. This is just about showcasing the stitches that we used, but not covering up all the fabric. We're not trying to cover it totally. I suppose you could if you wanted to. You needn't do any applique for your book cover. You could just do stitching. So I've put in some warp threads there, and now I'm weaving my weft, trying to make it look a little bit sketchy, not lining up all the ends of the stitches. And I think we'll put another section of weaving down at the bottom here just to finish it off. Just put a longer stitch in there at the end because I was worried about the whole of the length of that base of the 2 not having any anchor stitches in. So there's my woven stitches for October for my first number 2. I'll be back tomorrow to put in our next number for November, so I'll see you then. Bye.